Hello, my name is Tanya and welcome. So today we're testing out the Woomer colored pencils. They sent me these 72 pack of pencils, which was very kind of them. Um, so fair warning though, I'm definitely not a colored pencil expert. So this review is more like a real-time artist experiment. It's more like that than a technical breakdown. I mostly work in watercolor if you are familiar with my channel. And I also do other stuff. I do use watercolor pencils, but I usually use it with my watercolor, or I have used it with acrylic markers. So I thought it would be fun to see how these pencils feel from a fresh perspective. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them out and play around with them. And I created that mermaid illustration that you saw in the beginning. I also used acrylic markers with that. So here is the tin. It was really well wrapped. It comes in this beautiful bright orange metal tin, and that's the sleeve. It shows you the 72 colors in the back. It says that they are highly saturated, they're easy to blend, they have a soft core, break resistant lead, and it comes with that cool little sleeve with the kitty cat on it and their logo on the top right corner, which is also a cat. So I opened it up and it came with this swatching chart. And I will be swatching all of the colors for you on that chart right there. And it comes in two layers. They're kind of sitting in this little plastic, I guess you call it tray. And they're the beautiful colors. I was really excited to try them out. Like I said, I have used colored pencils with my paintings. The brand that I have only used is Prismacolor. I've never used any other brand of colored pencils. So this is all new to me. So I started with the swatching chart, and they felt right away, felt good in my hand, and they felt really soft. As you can see, they have the markings on there. They have the light fast rating as those plus marks. They have the number of the color that matches the swatch chart. They have the name of the color on the pencil also, and then they also have a barcode with another number on there. So you have all the information that you need on the pencil, which I appreciated that a lot. And then on the swatch chart, which I thought was pretty cool, it also has the light fast rating as a number on the swatch chart. As you can see, those numbers 4, 4 through 5, 4, and so forth is the light fast rating. So according to this color chart, it goes from, they rate it from 0 to 5 for light fast rating, and most of them are 4s or 5s, which is extremely light fast or good light fast. There's a few 3s, which they just rate as light fast, and there's only 5 pencils out of all these that are 3, and there's none that are 2, 1, or 0. So they're all rated well with light fast according to Woomer's chart here. They're really smooth, I noticed right away. And Prismacolors are smooth too. I haven't really used any other, like I said, so it's a little bit hard for me to compare, I guess. And like, I don't use color pencils that often, so my comparison to other pencils probably won't be very good, but I did enjoy swatching them out. As you can see, the colors look bright and vibrant. To me, they do. And the paper that the color chart was on, I believe, is specifically for colored pencils. They also gave me this pack of paper that came with it. I went to their website and I looked it up. So this pack of paper, it's 20 sheets, and it is $6.99, and it is for colored pencils. They call it Woomer fine grain colored pencil paper, 5.8 by 8.27, 200 GSM double sided, $6.99 for 20 sheets. So this is the paper that I did use for my drawing that I decided to do. Also, I don't think I told you the price for the pencils. You can get them on the Woomer website for $39.99. They're on sale right now. And you can use my discount code for that I'll put in the description for 10% off. And actually, that's store-wide with Woomer. Woomer can be anything you buy at their website. And then on Amazon, I looked it up there right now for the pencils, $39.98. And there is a coupon, looks like, that you can use, and it comes to $35.98. So I'll have a link to Amazon or Woomer's website for all of this. So, depending on which site you like to use. So I am using this paper that they gave me for my illustration that I decided to try these pencils on. And I wanted to do a mermaid. I've been painting mermaids lately with watercolor. So I thought, well, maybe I'll try it with these colored pencils. And I also do use some acrylic markers, what you'll see later on. But so I'm just using a normal black marker that I have that is waterproof, but I'm just illustrating my a mermaid on this paper. And I found this paper actually really enjoyable to use. I was going to use some smooth Bristol paper, I thought, with the color pencils, because I prefer the color when I do use colored pencils, like with my watercolor. I do prefer to use colored pencils on a smoother surface. I notice I do tend to use them with hot press paper if I'm doing watercolor. So I thought, well, if I'm using acrylic and pencil together today, I'd try my Bristol, because I do have a smooth Bristol paper that I do like to use for acrylic, and I know you can use Bristol paper also with colored pencils. I just like that smooth look with both of those mediums. So I was going to use that, but then I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this paper that they gave me, especially made for colored pencils, and I really did enjoy using it with the pencils and also with the acrylic markers. It was a little thinner than maybe I would like as far as with the acrylic markers, because it did kind of buckle a little bit because of the acrylic. You'll see I have it taped down when I start using the acrylic, but I still liked it. I liked the way it looked, and there it is. I just kind of drew it out with my imagination. I did have a little reference photo. So I'm really not going to explain everything I'm doing. It's kind of self-explanatory, the rest of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope if you want to try colored pencils and you haven't, go for it and try it. I just kind of jumped in and did it. I know I will be using them more. I had a lot of fun using them, and I need to learn how to use them better myself. I think I've seen some really beautiful illustrations and things that people do with colored pencils, and I think I want to learn how to layer them, when to color with them softly, when to color with them with a little bit more pressure. I'm not sure how that all goes. So, but I do recommend, if you want a set of colored pencils, that to me, they felt just the same way as the Prismacolors do when I'm using them, I have to say. But like I said, I don't know the technical side of watercolor pencils. I'm sure there's probably some experts out there that do. And if you're watching this, go ahead and comment below. But I really enjoyed using these color pencils. The colors, I think they gave you a nice range of colors. They also, on their website, they do have sets of different colors. Besides the 72 colored pencils, they have a set of 90 colored pencils. And then they also have a set of 133 colors, I believe. And then, which is also cool, which I like, they have single pencils you can buy. You can buy them singly. Let me see, they have, I think, about 10 of them, it looks like. And they are 95 cents a piece. Oh, I am so sorry. They have more than 10. Wow, if I look at all these, they have them, I see, they have them divided by color palette. I was just looking at their website, so they have like yellow. And then if you go there, they have, click on the yellow. They have all the yellows. And you can buy them individually. 95 cents a pencil. I think that's really cool. I might be doing that. I might buy some single colors that I might not have that's in this set that I would like. And with the coupon, I mean, gosh, if you use 10% off, 95, if I can do math, that's like 9 cents. So that's not bad per pencil, especially if there's certain colors that you just want to start off with. If you just want to start off with like your basic yellow, red, blue palette or something like that, that makes for not a bad price for these pencils. So I recommend them, like I said, and thank you to Woomer for letting me try them out. I'm going to try incorporating them more into my paintings or start using them by themselves and learn how to use them more. As you'll see later on, with this drawing, I do incorporate my acrylic markers in, and I will say when I used my acrylic markers over the top of these, I had no problem with the acrylic over the colored pencil. And then I also put color pencil over the acrylic. So I will quit talking for now. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you shortly with my next video. Thanks so much for giving me your time. Bye-bye.